Pin extraction from a wire requires inserters and extractors of specific gauge for insertion and removal respectively. The metal ones are sturdy and plastic ones are cheap and handy, although easily breakable if applied force and pressure incorrectly. So tips to keep in mind are that use the gauge as per the pin size and not by assuming wire size. Always refer SWPM. Follow gauge chart and use white end for removal. It's not a job which requires force, just ensure the extractor sits over wire first and push it through the hole of the connector. Use force at a perpendicular angle, otherwise the broken pieces of extractor would block the pin removal.